Palantir once again delivers amazing collaborations. People are hyped. However, the market just went red, and Palantir's price just got a massive hit. Everything changed in a snap. The bears are spreading. Massive $15 million gone in just seconds. Analysts are dropping their last signals. What is actually happening? Will this gonna make sense soon? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir kicks off the day with some hot news that's sure to turn heads. They've teamed up with Surf Air Technologies to bring us Surf OS, an operating system designed to revolutionize regional air mobility. And of course, it's Palantir's tech running the show, blending AI and data analytics like no other. This partnership isn't just a flashy headline. It says a lot about where Palantir stands today. From defense to healthcare and now aviation, Palantir's influence is everywhere. It's clear they're doubling down on being a global leader in AI and enterprise intelligence, and partnerships like this are just more proof of their staying power. However, even with this exciting announcement, Palantir has been feeling the heat lately. The stock took a nosedive, dropping from around $79 to below $70 in just a single day. That's a big swing, and it's got people talking. Critics, especially the bears, are quick to pounce, pointing to concerns about whether the company's ambitious bets will pay off in the long run. But why? Why the sudden crash? It's a question on everyone's mind. Well, here's a twist. Turns out Cathie Wood and her firm, ARK Invest, might have had something to do with Palantir's sudden dip. They just offloaded a massive $15 million worth of Palantir stock, totaling almost 197,000 shares spread across multiple ETFs. That kind of move doesn't go unnoticed, and the market reacted fast. The stock fell 3% in early trading on Tuesday, leaving everyone wondering, is Palantir overvalued? After all, the company's shares skyrocketed a jaw-dropping 355% over the past year. That's a crazy run, and it's natural for investors to ask if things have gone too far, too fast. But here's the bigger picture. This sell-off doesn't necessarily mean doom and gloom. ARK Invest has a history of taking profits during big run-ups. It's kind of their thing. So, while Cathie Wood's move stirs up questions, it also highlights the balancing act Palantir faces, maintaining its rapid growth without spooking investors about valuations. It's a tricky line to walk, but if anyone can navigate it, it's a company like Palantir. But with all this buzz, what's the real reason behind Palantir's drop? Well, a lot of people are pointing fingers at Jim Cramer. Yep, the guy just can't stop talking about Palantir. And today, he fired off another tweet claiming Palantir is starting to make its move now. If you followed Cramer for a while and watched our previous videos, you know his comments can have major ripple effects on stocks. Love him or hate him, his words carry weight, especially with retail investors. All of this has really spread chaos and fear across the market. With Cramer's constant posts and the stock's roller coaster ride, it's no surprise that people are starting to lose confidence. And when fear sets in, panic selling is never far behind. More and more investors are cashing out, trying to minimize their losses or just avoid getting caught up in the uncertainty. It's a classic case of the market reacting to sentiment rather than fundamentals. And right now, that sentiment is one of caution, as many start second-guessing whether Palantir is really the next big thing or just another overhyped stock in a volatile market. But this kind of reaction only adds more weight to the pressure Palantir is under. However, despite all the chaos and massive price swings, there might still be a glimpse of hope for Palantir. Analysts are staying bullish on the company, and when you look at the long-term picture, it's still looking solid. Even with the crash today, many experts are confident that Palantir is still positioned to be a trillion-dollar company. In fact, one Twitter analyst recently tweeted, "I firmly believe Palantir will be a trillion market cap stock in the next decade." This isn't just empty talk. With Palantir continuing to innovate, expanding into new industries and playing a crucial role in AI and data analytics, their long-term potential remains huge. Sure, short-term volatility can rattle the market, but the real story here is the company's ability to adapt and grow. And if analysts are right, we might just be seeing the beginning of something massive. So, while Palantir might be facing some turbulence now, it's clear they're in a strong position to rise above the noise and perhaps become a dominant player on the global stage in the next decade. Speaking of turbulence, some analysts are also viewing this as just a minor bump on the way to that coveted $1,000 per share price. One Twitter analyst even shared his thoughts, saying, The entire market could be blood red and Palantir bears will find a way to say, I told you so. My advice? Smell the leaves, touch some grass. Today is only a bump in our journey to $1,000. What he's getting at here is that despite the short-term dips, the long-term outlook for Palantir remains strong. He's basically saying that the bears will always have something negative to say, no matter what. But those who see the bigger picture can look beyond today's volatility. The $1,000 price tag isn't a pipe dream for some. It's a vision for the future, built on Palantir's ability to keep pushing the envelope with AI, data analytics, and its powerful role in transforming industries. Right now, it's easy to get caught up in the short-term noise, but if Palantir can stay on track and continue to innovate, that analyst might just be onto something big. In a market that's prone to mood swings, staying the course could lead to rewards down the road. So, despite this price crash, not everyone's panicking. In fact, some people are actually loving this dip and seeing it as a chance to buy more shares. For them, it's all about long-term play. They see Palantir's potential and believe that this short-term volatility is just a chance to grab shares at a lower price before the stock goes even higher. For those who are still bullish on Palantir's future, this price drop is almost like a sale. So it's definitely safe to say that Palantir is here to stay. The company has an undeniable, staggering impact on the world. Right now, for example, Palantir is playing a crucial role in global security. They're helping NATO and the UK-led Joint Expeditionary Force, JEF nations, protect the Baltic Sea from potential Russian sabotage. One of the key tools Palantir is providing is Nordic Warden, an AI system that identifies ships and assesses the risks posed by each vessel entering sensitive areas. This type of technology showcases just how deeply integrated Palantir's data analytics and AI systems are in critical real-world operations. It's a big deal, not just for defense, but for the broader role Palantir is carving out in safeguarding nations and industries. So, while the stock may be facing some bumps, Palantir is continuing to prove its worth on a global scale. Their ability to solve complex, high-stakes problems, whether it's national security or regional air mobility, shows that the company's impact isn't just about numbers on a stock chart. It's about creating real value that matters. And this perfectly ties into something a Palantir architect recently posted on Twitter. He said, "The how is just as important as the what you do, not mutually exclusive." What he's getting at is that Palantir isn't just about the big, flashy results or the end goals they're chasing. It's also about the process, the methods, and the technology they use to get there. The how is the backbone of their success, and it's what sets them apart. Their AI systems, like the one helping NATO monitor the Baltic Sea, aren't just powerful because of the end result. They're powerful because of how Palantir has built and fine-tuned these tools to solve some of the world's toughest problems. Right now, Palantir's how, their approach to data, AI, and analytics, is proving to be a game-changer. And even if the stock is going through a rough patch, the way Palantir delivers these real-world solutions is what keeps them on track for long-term success. And when you look at everything from the partnerships to the AI systems they're rolling out, it all circles back to something Palantir's CEO, Alex Karp, said in an interview a while ago. He stated, "It is the speed with which institutions in the United States, in particular, have adopted our platforms and artificial intelligence capabilities more broadly that has been, and we believe will continue to be, the driver of our growth." What Karp is pointing out here is that Palantir's growth isn't just a fluke. It's driven by how quickly institutions are adopting their platforms and using their AI technology to solve real-world problems. This rapid adoption across industries, from defense to healthcare, is what's keeping Palantir on the rise. The future still looks bright for Palantir, and if they continue to scale their impact like Karp envisions, this turbulence could just be a small blip on their path to even greater success. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Palantir update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
Shytoshi Kusama is not just a developer. If rumors are true, he is a real hero. There are some massive developments going on behind the scenes. Shiba Inu is the top concern. And if things get how they are supposed to, The Shiba Inu ecosystem will change forever. It will never be the same anymore. But what is actually happening? And how come people are not talking about it yet? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In a Twitter post today, the pseudonymous lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem shared some personal news. He announced that he's leaving the Middle East after having an incredible time there. Kusama highlighted how much he enjoyed spending time with his cousins and learning about their culture. His tweet really showed his appreciation for the cultural exchange and the new experiences he gained during his visit. Although Kusama restricted comments on his post, some followers found a way to share their thoughts by quoting his tweet. Vet Kusama, who is the sibling of the Shiba Inu lead developer and a well-known figure in the Shiba Inu community, said, expressed excitement about the possibility of Kusama visiting the Middle East again. On the other hand, a Shiba Inu fan urged Kusama and the rest of the team to follow through on their promises to the community and questioned why Kusama decided to turn off comments on his tweet. Some users are also curious about what Kusama's trip to the Middle East means for the cryptocurrency. It's still unclear if his visit had any connection to Shiba Inu. However, the timing of Kusama's post is quite interesting. At the same time, he announced, leaving the Middle East, their partner's token got listed on a major Dubai exchange. The Shiba Inu development team even used their official Twitter account to congratulate their partner on the coin listing. This timing has caught a lot of attention. On one hand, we have Kusama visiting the Middle East, and on the other, a top Dubai exchange partner there. Many people believe this isn't just a coincidence. They think there's a connection between Kusama's visit and the listing, suggesting that his trip might have had something to do with this new development. Kusama's visit to the Middle East has been a big part of the Kusama's development, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Speculation has increased even more, and this is where things get really interesting. Just 2 days ago, the Dubai financial regulator updated its rules on crypto assets. The Dubai Financial Services Authority announced changes to its cryptocurrency token regulations to enhance the regulatory framework within its special economic zone. On June 3R Day, they stated that these updates were based on a consultation paper from January 2024. Here's how it works. The Dubai Financial Services Authority first gathers feedback and insights from various stakeholders through a consultation paper. This process helps them understand the needs and concerns of the crypto market. After reviewing the feedback, they draft new rules or amendments. These changes take time to implement because they must ensure the regulations are comprehensive and effective. But what are these updates? What does Shiba Inu have to do with it? And why Satoshi Kusama's recent visit to the Middle East was perfect timing? Well, let's find out. The update affects the ability to offer units of external and foreign funds investing in recognized crypto tokens. Simply put, this change impacts institutions managing hundreds of millions, often billions of dollars, interested in crypto investing. In its recent consultation paper, the regulator acknowledged that fund and asset managers found the existing rules too strict. Since the regime was enacted, they were only able to invest in 5 recognized crypto tokens, which upset many big funds. Because 5 is too few. While the regulator believes that the recognition process is crucial for maintaining a stable market, they also considered allowing domestic funds to make limited investments in unrecognized crypto tokens, as long as these investments don't exceed 10% of the fund's total value. And from the regulator's perspective, this move makes sense. It balances maintaining control over the market while giving funds more flexibility. It encourages investment and growth within the sector without compromising overall stability. And this is where, of course, speculations arise. With Dubai potentially opening the doors to hundreds of millions of dollars that could flow into the crypto market and the restrictions possibly loosening up, funds might now be able to invest in unrecognized crypto assets, which, if I get that right, includes the entire crypto market. So the timing of Satoshi Kusama's visit to the Middle East, exactly during these updates, makes us wonder. If his visit was indeed a business trip, could it mean that he was presenting the Shiba Inu coin as a viable project for big funds? Or is it just a matter of time? At this point, it's pure speculation, but it would kind of make sense. It seems to align well with the context of these regulatory changes and the potential opportunities they present. However, it's a known fact that Shiba Inu has already established a strong presence in key regions of the Middle East, particularly in Dubai. Earlier this year, Shiba Inu made waves as a prominent sponsor of the prestigious 2024 Web3 Summit event in Dubai, drawing over 3,000 attendees and nearly 100 speakers. This is the first time that Shiba Inu has made waves as a prominent sponsor of the prestigious 2024 Web3 Summit event in Dubai, drawing over 3,000 attendees and nearly 100 speakers. They also sponsored Token 2049, another crypto-related event held in Dubai in April, where they engaged with industry leaders and even participated in a Polo Cup competition. Moreover, top Dubai-based exchanges like CETOX and CoinU have rolled out support for Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens. Whether Kusama's recent trip to the Middle East will further drive Shiba Inu's adoption in the region remains to be seen, but it's certainly a possibility. The groundwork has already been laid with Shiba Inu's significant investment in the crypto industry, and it's certainly a possibility. There is a significant presence at key events and its integration into Dubai's crypto ecosystem. So, Kusama's visit could potentially build upon these foundations and strengthen Shiba Inu's foothold in the Middle Eastern market. And let's not forget how important the Middle East is. This region is incredibly wealthy due to its abundant oil reserves and strategic location for global trade. The wealth generated from oil has led to immense financial power in countries like the United Arab Emirates, including Dubai. This wealth can make a huge impact on Shiba Inu for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the Middle East represents a significant market with investors who are eager to explore new opportunities, including cryptocurrency. With their substantial financial resources, individuals and institutions in the region have the potential to invest significant sums into projects like Shiba Inu. Moreover, the Middle East's strategic position as a global trade hub means that successful adoption of Shiba Inu in this region could lead to increased exposure and adoption worldwide. As the cryptocurrency gains traction among Middle Eastern investors and businesses, its visibility and credibility could grow, attracting more interest and investment from other regions. So, tapping into the wealth and influence of the Middle East could be a game changer for Shiba Inu, opening up new avenues for growth and development in the cryptocurrency market. And Dubai, for example, and its participation would be very, very good. In recent times, Dubai has been increasingly embracing cryptocurrencies, and it has become the light of the crypto community. Unlike the United States, which has maintained a somewhat hostile attitude towards this digital asset, Dubai's progressive stance has been a breath of fresh air. However, as the upcoming US elections draw nearer and the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, there is a glimmer of hope that the United States will also become more crypto-friendly. Crypto has already become a topic of extensive discussion within the US government, even among presidential candidates. This discussion reason to believe that change may be on the horizon. And here's something you should understand. Crypto users advocate for global crypto friendliness due to the potential benefits it offers. Beyond revolutionizing traditional financial systems, widespread crypto adoption can drive financial inclusivity, enable borderless transactions, and fuel innovation. By creating a welcoming environment for cryptocurrencies, countries can unlock opportunities for economic growth, technological advancement, and increased financial accessibility on a global scale. This is a great opportunity for crypto investors to take a step forward. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.